Dear users, we're excited to introduce the Ultima Trading platform, a next-generation product in the Ultima ecosystem. The platform offers automated trading bots designed for spot trading TPTU USDT pair across various cryptocurrency exchanges. In this guide, we'll show you how to connect your account on the BingX exchange to the trading bot. After purchasing a license, your next step is to activate the bot. To do this, click the Activate Bot button on your screen. If you forgot to activate it immediately after purchase, you can do it anytime in the My Trade Bots section or via the dashboard. A window will appear asking you to choose an exchange to connect to. In this case, we're connecting to BingX, so select it from the list. A bot activation window will appear. Copy the IP address shown in the last step. Now you need to connect your exchange account to the bot. We'll use BingX as an example. Follow these steps. Log into your account. Go to your account on the official BingX website. Ensure your BingX account has been funded with the required amount for the bot to function and that two-factor authentication is enabled. Top up your balance if needed. The required deposit amount is specified in your license. Go to API Management. Hover over your avatar in the upper right corner and select API Management from the menu. Important: make sure two-factor authentication is enabled in your account before creating API keys. To create your keys, select Main Account from the drop-down menu on the left. Then click Create API. Create a name for your keys, e.g. Ultima Trading. Set permissions for the API key in the Permissions section. Spot Trading. Read. Paste the IP address you copied earlier into the appropriate field. The exchange will now ask you to confirm the action using two-factor authentication. You'll need to enter a code sent to your email used during registration and a code from your authentication app. Then click Submit. You will now see a message that your keys have been successfully created. Access, key, and secret key. Both keys are required for integration. Copy and save both the access key and secret key. Note: the secret key is shown only once, so be sure to save it securely. The access key can always be found later in the My API Keys section. Important: never share your keys with anyone. They grant full access to your account. Do not store your keys in public repositories or on open websites. If your keys are lost or compromised, delete them immediately and create new ones. Return to the Ultima Trading website, go to the My Trade Bots section, and paste the saved keys into the corresponding fields. Access key into the access key field and the secret key into the secret key field. Then click the Save Data button. After entering the keys, click the Integrate button. Done. Your bot has been successfully activated. You'll see a push notification confirming it. In the My Trade Bots section, you'll now see which exchange your bot is currently connected to.